What kind of animal explodes on purpose? Meet the exploding ant. These incredible creatures have a unique defense mechanism that will leave you speechless. When threatened, certain species of ants can rupture their own bodies, releasing a toxic goo that can immobilize predators. Imagine being so brave that you sacrifice yourself to protect your colony. This goo is not just any substance. It contains powerful chemicals that deter attackers. The ants use their mandibles to rupture their own bodies, creating a dramatic explosion of this sticky, toxic fluid. It's a risky move, but it can save countless lives in the colony. The process is fascinating. The ants have specialized glands that produce this toxic substance. When danger approaches, they take a deep breath and go out with a bang. This self-destructive act is a last resort, but it highlights the lengths these ants will go to ensure the survival of their group. Exploding ants are a prime example of nature's ingenuity. Their extreme sacrifice showcases the complex social structures and survival strategies found in the animal kingdom. Who knew such a small creature could have such a powerful impact? What if you could regrow your brain? Meet the axolotl, a remarkable creature that can regenerate limbs and even brain tissue. This aquatic salamander has captivated scientists for years. Its ability to heal is nothing short of astonishing. Imagine losing an arm and simply growing it back. Axolotls can regenerate limbs, tails, and even parts of their heart and spinal cord. They possess unique cells that allow them to rebuild complex structures without scarring. Researchers are studying these extraordinary abilities to unlock secrets that could revolutionize medicine. Could this lead to breakthroughs in human healing? But there's a catch. Axolotls are critically endangered. Habitat loss, pollution, and invasive species threaten their survival. These amazing beings are disappearing before our eyes. Protecting them is crucial, not just for biodiversity, but for the potential medical advancements they hold. The axolotl is more than a scientific marvel. It's a symbol of hope in regenerative medicine. The next time you think about healing, remember the axolotl. Its story is a reminder of nature's incredible power and the urgent need to preserve it. Did you know cows have best friends and miss them? Research shows that cows form deep emotional bonds, just like humans. They develop close friendships with other cows, spending time together and even grooming one another. When they are with their best friends, they feel safe and relaxed. But what happens when they are separated? Stress levels skyrocket. Cows can experience anxiety and distress when they lose sight of their buddies. Heart rates increase, and they may even vocalize their distress. This reaction highlights their emotional capacity and the importance of social connections in their lives. In studies, cows that are reunited with their friends show signs of joy. They nuzzle and engage in playful behavior, demonstrating their relief and happiness. This bond is not just about companionship, it impacts their overall well-being. Cows thrive in social environments, and their emotional health can affect their physical health. Understanding these relationships can change how we view farming and animal welfare. Recognizing that cows are not just livestock, but sentient beings with feelings, can lead to better practices and care. Cows truly are more than meets the eye. What if you could freeze and come back? Believe it or not, some frogs can. These incredible creatures have a unique survival strategy. When temperatures plummet, they enter a state of suspended animation. Their heart stops, and they stop breathing. It's like hitting the pause button on life itself. Imagine being frozen solid yet still alive. As winter grips the land, these frogs endure the harshest conditions. Ice crystals form in their bodies, but don't be fooled. They're not dead, they're just waiting. When spring arrives, the temperatures rise, and a miraculous transformation begins. The frogs thaw out, and their heart starts beating again. Their lungs fill with air, and they leap back into action as if nothing ever happened. This amazing adaptation allows them to survive in environments where most other animals would perish. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity. These frogs remind us that life finds a way, even in the most extreme circumstances. So next time you see a frog, remember the incredible journey it endured through winter. It's not just a frog, it's a marvel of survival. How do you control 8 arms? Easy, with 9 brains. Octopuses are truly remarkable creatures. They have 1 central brain and 9 total, with each arm having its own control center. This means each arm can move independently, reacting to its environment without waiting for instructions from the main brain. Imagine that level of coordination, but that's not all. Octopuses also have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, where they absorb oxygen, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. This unique system allows them to be incredibly agile and efficient swimmers. When they dive deep, one heart actually stops beating, conserving energy for their incredible underwater acrobatics. Their blood is blue, thanks to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin. This helps them thrive in low-oxygen environments. With their exceptional intelligence, they can solve puzzles, escape enclosures, and even use tools. An octopus is not just a creature of the sea, it's a marvel of evolution, showcasing the wonders of nature. What other surprises do these enigmatic beings hold? Can a bird do math better than you? Yes, it turns out. Parrots are not just colorful companions, they are also math whizzes. Studies show that these feathered geniuses can solve complex problems that stump even young children. Imagine a parrot counting treats or figuring out patterns with ease. Researchers have tested parrots on memory and logic. The results? Parrots often outperform kids aged 4 to 6. These birds can remember sequences and solve puzzles faster than many toddlers. It's a jaw-dropping revelation that challenges our understanding of intelligence. One famous parrot named Alex could identify numbers and even understand the concept of zero. His skills left scientists amazed. This isn't just about repeating words. It's about real cognitive abilities. Parrots use their brains in ways we never expected. So the next time you see a parrot, think about their hidden talents. They might just be the math prodigies of the animal kingdom. Who knew that behind those bright feathers lay such sharp minds? The world of animal intelligence is full of surprises, and parrots are leading the way. What if a shrimp could break glass with one punch? Meet the pistol shrimp, a tiny creature with an extraordinary ability. When it snaps its claw, it creates a shockwave so powerful that it can shatter glass. This isn't just a simple snap, it's a phenomenon of nature. When the shrimp closes its claw quickly, it forms a bubble. This bubble collapses with a force that generates heat. Can you believe it? The temperature inside that bubble reaches a staggering 4,700 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of the sun. As the bubble collapses, it creates a loud sound, like a tiny underwater explosion. This sound is not just for show, it helps the shrimp stun prey and ward off predators. Imagine being a fish and hearing that crack. The pistol shrimp's punch is a remarkable example of how nature can create extreme forces in small packages. This tiny creature packs a punch that not only breaks glass, but also showcases the wonders of evolution. Nature never ceases to amaze. Did you know rats laugh when tickled? Yes, it's true. These little creatures produce ultrasonic giggles that are beyond our hearing range. Researchers stumbled upon this fascinating discovery while studying rat behavior. They noticed that when rats were gently tickled, they emitted high-frequency sounds. Curiosity sparked, and scientists began to investigate further. Using specialized equipment, they recorded these sounds and found that the giggles were not random. The rats seemed to enjoy the tickling, showing signs of excitement and playfulness. Imagine a tiny creature, rolling around and making sounds that resemble laughter. This behavior is not just cute, it reveals a deeper emotional world in rats. The laughter is thought to be a form of communication among them. It's a signal of joy and social bonding. The more they laughed, the more they interacted with their ticklers. This discovery challenges the long-held belief that only humans and some primates can experience laughter. So next time you see a rat, remember they might just be giggling under their fur. Who knew these small animals could bring such joy and surprise? What animal survives space, radiation, and fire? Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These tiny creatures can endure conditions that would obliterate most life forms. They can go without water for years, entering a state called cryptobiosis. In this state, their metabolism nearly stops, allowing them to survive extreme dehydration. Imagine being able to live without water for decades. Tardigrades can withstand temperatures from near absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. They thrive in the most hostile environments on Earth, from deep ocean trenches to the highest mountains. But that's not all. They have been sent to space and exposed to the vacuum and radiation. Remarkably, they came back unharmed. Their secret? A unique protein that shields their DNA from damage. This makes them one of the toughest organisms known to science. Scientists study tardigrades to unlock secrets of resilience, which could have implications for human survival in extreme conditions. The next time you think about survival, remember these microscopic marvels. They redefine what it means to endure. Would you say yes to a stone from a penguin? These charming birds have a unique way of expressing love. Male penguins search for the perfect pebble to present to their chosen mate. It's not just any stone, it's a symbol of commitment. Imagine a tuxedo-clad penguin waddling over, pebble in beak, heart racing with anticipation. Once the pebble is presented, the female penguin inspects it closely. If she accepts, it's a joyous moment. They are now a pair. Together, they start building a nest. They gather pebbles, twigs, and other materials, working side by side. Each pebble is carefully placed, creating a cozy home for their future chicks. This teamwork is essential. The better the nest, the more likely their eggs will survive. Penguins are dedicated partners, sharing the responsibilities of incubation and protection. Their bond grows stronger with each pebble added to their nest. So next time you see a penguin, remember the love story they create with simple stones. It's a beautiful reminder that love can be found in the most unexpected places.